In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reapply for the AdSense pin for the second time. I'll also show you how you can change your address or add phone number. And even if you are applying for the AdSense for the first time, then also if you don't see the section where you can add the phone number, I'll show you a alternative way to add your phone number so that whenever your AdSense pin comes to your near post box office, then you may get call in that number. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So as you can see, I have some few earning in there from AdSense for YouTube, okay, and I have applied for the pin in July 17, 2022, and today's date is September 3, 2022. Now within 14 days it will be like 2 months, okay, I have applied for this pin for the first time, and now I have a feeling that this pin will never arrive, so that's why I need to reapply for this pin. And I'm going to show you exactly in a step-by-step process how you can do it so that your pin most probably will arrive, okay, after you follow these things that I'm going to show you in this video. So in order to reapply for the pin, you just need to sign into your AdSense account and click on this payments, and then click on this payment info. Let's wait for some time. Now once you see this kind of interface, then just scroll below and click on this manage setting. Now just scroll below and in payment profiles you can see your name and address at here. Now just click on this pencil icon, and then you will notice that you will get a place where you can add your phone number. In case if you are not able to see this phone number section, then what you can do is just before your just after your address, you can give a comma and put whatever your number is in this way and click on save. Click on save. And if you have moved to any other city or you need to change any address at here, you can change it. But now I have a section where I can add my phone number. I'll simply put my phone number here. Once the phone number is added, then simply scroll below and save. Now once this much is done, then you will see this kind of interface. You just need to click on this verification check now. Now just scroll below and you will see a place where you can reapply for the AdSense pin. Just click on it. Now here I will give you an important information. Most of the people who reapply for the AdSense pins think that a new AdSense pin will be issued to them, but that is not the case. As you can see here, a duplicate pin will be sent to your billing address. You can still use your original pin if it arrives first. So that means if you have applied for reapplied for the pin and your first pin comes first for some reason, then you can still use that pin code in your AdSense account. Okay, so now you can just click on this recent pin. Now if you click on home and you visit to this page, then you can see we mailed you a pin on September 3. So today's date is September 3 and it says it will arrive in 2 to 4 weeks. So guys, it is this much simple to reapply for the AdSense pin. So do like this video, and this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.